So module number 8, we're going to go over lookalike audience. I have noticed that a lot of people really don't have a good foundation understanding of this, and I'll explain what they are in the session. But lookalike audience, in a nutshell, is say that you got 10 leads, maybe 100 leads, and you're doing really well, and you kind of want more leads, obviously, right? Facebook has a tool that they can clone the people who submitted the leads. They can clone them. They can go find more people like those with the same characteristics, maybe geo, maybe income, whatever. And Facebook will go ahead and try to find more people who submitted leads into your funnel. So, which is great. The problem is a lot of people don't know how to use the lookalike audience because you have to be first you have to digest the data, and then second you have to be organized because it's a lot of testing at that point. And a lot of people just give up, and then they just either change the creative or they just don't even bother with the lookalike audience anymore. I really do feel like this is a great module. This is another step of your marketing game that you're going to appreciate. So let's get into it. See you in the next session.